Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how to download the Blender software and how to install it. So recently the Blender has been released the version 4.2. So I will show you how you can download that one and you can install it. So it's very easy step. So just open the Google and then type Blender 4.2 or just Blender. Then you will directly move into the main website. Here you can see the previous versions as well as the latest one. So you just simply click the download and you can see the main download link and you can click and you can even choose like based on your operating system. Here I choose it for Windows, and here they also have other version like a Mac and Linux. So just click the download option and it will start to download. So based on the internet speed, it will download within 1 or 2 minutes and we can install it. So let's wait until the download is complete, then I will show you how to install. The steps will be much clear and it will be much easier to do. Why I'm going to show you this software, like how to download and install, because I'm going to make a tutorial about the software, because as I am working on the research field and Blender can do a lot of things in order to make 3D illustrations and animations for our scientific projects. So I will show you like one by one, like how you can make 2D images in Illustrator and how you can do the same images in terms of 3D in the Blender and how you can do some animation stuff. So that will be very helpful for your research and you can present your research work in a very good way so that it will be much more attractive and it will give too much freedom to explain your research and what you are doing. So let's see in the upcoming series like how you can made small geometries as well as the complex geometries, and that you can use it in your research paper as well as in your presentation. So now the download is completed and I will show you like how to install. So once you complete the download, you can see like this kind of exe file in your download folder or wherever you navigate your file to be downloaded. So just do a right click and then install. So now you can see, just to follow the steps what I'm doing, just to give a next and then you just accept the license, and then the steps will be very smaller. It will take like almost 2 to 3 minutes to install. It will not take like so much time. So now the installation is complete and let's open the software and check whether the installation has been done properly or is there any issues. Now it shows like the Blender 4.2 version, which means that we installed the proper Blender software and it is ready to be used. So just to delete the default cube, clicking Shift and A, you can add the available geometries. So let me add some UV sphere and just to change into smooth, and you can also add some other geometry same as like a cube, or you can add icosphere, just move that one, and you can add some modifier so that you can give more freedom to edit the geometry. So I'm going to add some subdivision to smoothen it, and then just right click and spade smooth, and then you can also define some material just by clicking here. You can choose different color and just to move the property so that you can see the color we are giving. So you can define different colors and different materials. So it will give you freedom to play with different materials and color based on your design needs. So that can be done very easily. Let me open some technical things which I did before so that you can understand what we are going to do in the future tutorials. So as you can see here, I did some hydrogel based on the YouTube available tutorials, because even I am a beginner to this Blender, but these days I spend so much time to learn this software, so I know like a lot of things that I'm going to teach in a very easy manner, because when I learned myself, I faced some difficulties to learn this kind of technical illustrations, but I made a very easy narrow down techniques that how we can remember and we can apply for our own illustration. so that you can easily understand and you will not face any struggle. So here you can understand, like, I made a 2 hydrogel and we made a plane that will behave like a studio, and we did like a lot of lighting setup and all the things. So this kind of things I will show you, like how you can make. Not only that, you can see we make a hydrogel, and also I made some beaker using the blender, and also I made some mesh structure with ball inside. So in the upcoming tutorial I will show you like how you can make 3D animations and how you can make your illustration in a blender. So for you it will be easy to understand, because I'm going to teach like based on how I learn. So here you can see the hydrogel and then studio, like how I did the lightings and camera. So all the things will be shown in my next videos. And also I will try to share all the project files, because you want to train or you want to use for your own experimental designs. So that I will try to share all the files so that it will be easy for you. So we will see in the upcoming videos. See you again.